Ferrari just dropped a name we haven't heard before, the Amalfi. And here's the thing, this isn't some all-new car, it's the Roma, but better. Let me explain. The Roma was gorgeous, elegant, a proper grand tourer that brought back that 1960s Dolce Vita vibe, but it had problems. That weird perforated grille, touch controls everywhere, and those mirror controls that made you want to throw your phone at the dashboard. Ferrari heard you, they fixed it, and they gave it a new name inspired by that stunning Italian coastline. Under the hood, Ferrari tweaked their 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8. Now it makes 631 horsepower. That's 20 more than the Roma. Peak power hits at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Red line is at 7,600. They added lighter camshafts, better turbo response, and the same ECU from the 296 GTB. So what's different? Up front, that controversial grille is gone, replaced with Ferrari's new family face, a sleek black bar connecting the headlights, the same treatment you're seeing on the F80 and the 12-cylindry. It's cleaner, more cohesive, and frankly, it just works better. The rear got a makeover too, new taillights with that same black trim connecting them. It's subtle but effective, makes the whole car feel more modern without losing that classic GT proportions. But the big news is inside. Physical buttons are back, real buttons on the steering wheel, a proper red start button, not some iPhone-like touchpad. Ferrari actually listened when customers said they wanted that event of firing up their prancing horse to feel special again. You still get 3 screens, a 10.25-inch central display, a massive 15.6-inch driver cluster, and an 8.8-inch passenger screen. The center console is milled from a single piece of aluminum, optional carbon fiber if you want to get fancy, and yes, those transmission toggles that look like classic gated shifters are still there. 0 to 62 in 3.3 seconds. Top speed around 198 miles per hour. The rear spoiler has 3 positions and can generate 242 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. Ferrari says this is still their gateway car. Over 50% of Roma buyers were first-time Ferrari customers. The Amalfi wants to keep that going while fixing what didn't work. Starting price is around $275,000 to $280,000. Deliveries start early 2026. It's not a revolution, but sometimes evolution is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.